Hello everyone, my name is George Hunt and I'm here from Teesside University in the northeast of England in the United Kingdom. We're in Thailand today to meet with some students in Bangkok talking about our range of programs at undergraduate and postgraduate level. Now let me start by telling you a little bit about Teesside University. We are located in northeast England, home of Middlesbrough FC, beautiful countryside, quite near to the North Yorkshire coast and the North Yorkshire moors, somewhere where you can see amazing historic places but also be well located to visit famous places within the UK, for example London, Newcastle or travelling north up to Edinburgh. Fantastic student location, somewhere where you get an amazing student experience. Now you may not have heard of Teesside University, but you will have heard about what we do and who we have graduating from us. At the moment, we have a world-leading computer animation and visual effects school, and we have some programs which are very innovative, and we have the highest level facilities, cameras, green screen equipment that any student could wish for. You may not have heard of us, but you will have heard of our graduates. We have people working on some world-famous movies, the likes of Avatar, Inception, Harry Potter, all of the James Bond series, and we also have members of our teaching staff, our faculty, who are Oscar winners. That's something that you won't get at most universities, either here or in other countries as well. So really the highest standard of teaching. The other thing we have is a brilliant design school. So we have students who are currently doing fashion design, product design, or interior architecture, so keeping the outside of a building the same, but making sure that the inside is modernised, somewhere where there's currently a lot of demand, both in the UK and overseas. In terms of our design, again, you may know one of our most famous design graduates, Marek Reichman, who is head of design for Aston Martin. You'll have seen his work in all of the James Bond films, designing the cars right the way through from the early 2000s to the latest film Spectre. So again, you may not know Teesside, but certainly you'll know a lot about what we do and who we are. Thirdly, we have a very good management school. We have students currently from Thailand studying international management with us. We don't have huge numbers of international students, so by coming to the UK and studying at Teesside, you'll have a British educational experience, something which is very, very valuable for you in terms of your future career. Also, when thinking about where to study, maybe to be in a particular location within the UK, if you come to Teesside, because we're in the northeast of England, it's considerably cheaper, both in terms of living and in terms of our fees as well. I would say that broadly it can be compared with the cost of Bangkok, probably even cheaper. So Thai students, from my experience, have a very, very good experience and a very, very good lifestyle when they're studying with us. Finally, I'll mention our relationship with SIUK. For us as a university, it's important to have an agent that can offer everything to us, a full service. Students will come to us with inquiries from all over the world. We want to make sure that they're well looked after and that they receive the best support that they possibly can from an agent and a brand that is trusted. With SIUK in Thailand, we know that that's what we'll get. Students can get the full range of services, right through from application to IELTS support, preparation, visa support, to travelling to the UK. And that's something which is very important, so we know that our students are looked after and they're ready to come and study with us as soon as possible and in the best way possible. So, that's me. My name's George Hunt, International Recruitment Manager at Teesside University. I hope to see you soon, and if you need anything, feel free to contact our partner in Thailand, SIUK.